What's up guys, this is Josh from hdflorida.com. Just wanted to bring you this real quick video. I am in the detail bay here at Tampa Harley-Davidson, and I just came across this awesome product. It's the black inner fairing and trim piece Rejuvenator. I've got this 2003 Ultra Classic on the rack, and you can see this inner fairing is pretty worn. Lots of sun damage. It's a high mileage motorcycle, but you can see as I started applying this stuff, it really made a huge difference in how this inner fairing looks. You can see side by side here how that looks, and this stuff is stupid simple to apply. Basically all you do, shake it up, apply a quarter-sized amount to a clean disposable cloth or microfiber, and then this gets applied directly to the inner fairing, and it just soaks it in. Like, look at the immediate difference. And then all you do is let it sit on there, give it a chance to dry, wipe off the excess, repeat if you need to. It's in the instructions, so you can put as many coats of this as you want on. And it's good for all the plastic trim pieces. You can see here I'm hitting the back of the plastic mirror and the fairing. This stuff made a huge difference in how this inner fairing looks. Look at the difference it made on those buttons. It's a pretty incredible product. We keep this stuff in stock at all of our dealerships. It's Tampa, Brandon, Newport Richey, and Panama City Beach. We'll see you in the next one.